All right, now you do need a calculator for this one, just a regular calculator, and you're going to plug it in as 0.75. Now the x, you want to go ahead and substitute the missing number. So it says find this missing value. So I'm going to put my 5 where the x is. You plug in the x, then when you get your answer, put it here. Now this is a decimal. You are going to have a decimal for this one. All right, same setup over here. Now just to let you know, this is a negative 0.25. A lot of people are messing that up. Change that x into some parentheses, and whichever number is the missing number, you put the x in here to get the missing number for the y. All right, so put pause. All right, so now right here we have a quadratic, guys, and we actually like quadratics for domain and range because the domain is always going to be all real numbers. All real. Doesn't matter if it's going up or it's going down. That's just all real numbers because you have an arrow going to the left, an arrow going to the right. So it goes negative infinity all the time. It never touches infinity. And it goes positive infinity. But they don't like to write the symbols. That's too much. They just say all real numbers for domain. So the same thing over here, guys. Write down the domain is all real numbers. But the range does change a little bit for quadratics. Right? My quadratics, these are not lines like these. They're different. See, these are different setups. But whenever you have little arrows like this, if they're going in an up direction, right? You see how the arrows are going up? For the range part, it's going to be y is greater than or equal to, okay? Find out what this vertex is because that's going to help you find the y number. What is the lowest part? And it goes up from there. All right, the same thing over here. This is going up, so my range has to be y greater than or equal to. This is very hard. This is a hard one. Be very careful. My vertex, just to let you know, I know you can't see it. So I'm going to give you the vertex, kind of give you the answer a little bit. The vertex is a point, so you can use parentheses. It's a negative 0.5 because it's like halfway, comma, and it goes down into negative 5.5. So one of these is the range answer. So that's why I say the vertex is very important because the range, the vertex, it gives you that range answer right there. Same thing here. Now my domain is not all real numbers, all right? Be careful because these are dots. This is just like the front. Left side, right side, bottom, top. This is like the front. Over here, the domain, you have a left side, but you do not have a right side. There's a bottom, but there's not a top, all right? So for the domain, I'm gonna give you a hint. It's gonna be x is greater than or equal to, oh no, my bad, look, I made a mistake. That's an open circle, so no line. And the range, because it's going up, it's going to be y is greater than. So this is very important. This is some very important information for these numbers, domain and range. All right, once you're done with this, guys, you're going to go on to your second handout, and it's just numeric solver. If you don't remember numeric solver, raise your hand. I'll help you with the second handout.